Hi, trust litigation attorney Scott Grossman here, and today I'm going to discuss the usefulness, or maybe the lack of usefulness, of calling law enforcement if you think your trustee stole money or you just think you're not getting your rightful inheritance. From time to time, I do get calls from beneficiaries who tell me quite directly that they've called the local police or the local sheriff's office because they believe the trustee has stolen their inheritance. And the sad fact is that the large majority of the time, law enforcement is simply not going to step into your case unless you're able to show a tremendous amount of money was quite literally stolen. And by that I mean the trustee just took it and ran away with the money. Then maybe you can get law enforcement interested in your case. Now, this isn't to say you shouldn't call if you think a crime has been committed. If you really believe there's been criminal conduct, then by all means call the police or the sheriff's office. But more often what's really gone on is this. Somebody's upset, rightfully so, that a trustee has recklessly invested the money and so they've lost some part of what was in the trust through making some poor investments, or the trustee just will not share any information concerning the trust or what's happening in the administration of the trust, or the trustee will not bring the trust administration to a close, and because they won't, they're not making the distributions to the trust beneficiaries. Now, all of those are serious matters, and I'm not for a moment suggesting that you should take those lightly. What I am saying to you is if you're a trust beneficiary and you find that your trustee is doing one or more of these things, take it seriously, but understand the difference between you needing to litigate your case in probate court and a crime being committed, which means you would want law enforcement to get involved and actually issue some kind of criminal complaint. So if you find yourself in this situation, if you think there's a crime, call the police. If it's not a crime, if it's a problem that needs to be solved, then it's up to you to get a probate litigation or a trust litigation attorney involved and get this case underway to take matters into your own hands through the court system.